Hello. Okay, I think I'm live. So I am just setting up the last few bits, and I finally figured out how to set this up. So yes, I'm just setting up the last few bits. And in this, we will actually be, I'm going to be coding until I solve this Python problem. And I decided to bring you guys with me. And it's my first ever live stream. I know I did a first one, but that's like a short one, and things are not going well. So I'm just gonna go into my scene and hopefully you guys can start seeing my, yes. Okay, so this is the problem. Given two strings A and B, return the number of the positions where they contain the same length, two substrings, so XXCAAZZ and XXBAZAZ yields 3 since XXAA and AZ. They both appear in the same place in both strings. So look, like, if you guys don't understand, X is right here, XX is also here, and then it's AA in the same spots, AA in the same spots, and then AZ, and then AZ. And then, so with this same with this A and B, AB, AB, and then, BC, and BC, and yeah. So I think you guys understand it. So I've already gotten some code ready, because I know this will take a while, so this is just some code that I got ready for this. Okay, and I ran the test. I ran the test, and this is what it gives me. So what I'm gonna basically draw what I think I need to do. So I need to basically check if I need to check two conditions. If they have the same sorry about that. If there's a little drag, hold on. Okay, but I need to check if they have the same letters, okay? I don't know, hold on, sorry, there's a delay going on. Something is wrong, set up something. So I'll be right back, okay. Uh, I think this will work instead. Okay. I'm back. Okay. So now we've got this little thing right here, auto draw. So what we need to create is basically we need to check two conditions, or whether it has the same. Oh God. Okay, it's fine. I have this thing. Whether it has the same. Whether it has the same letters. It has to have the same letters and the same position. So yeah, that is what it has to have. Same letters and same position. So with this, I've come up with this. Right, this code over here. So if the count equals 0, that's a variable, which is what will be returning to us. For for x in range from the length of the first string, okay, and then if x all the way up to x equals the same as b all the way up to x, then count plus equals 1. So obviously that did not work. That only got a few of their problems correct. 5 out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 problems. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be exploring it in here. So I've already gotten this open up. And now I'm thinking, do I really need this? I don't know if that will make a difference. But right now this needs to print out too. So this turns out 3. Okay, hold on. Just gonna shrink that. So what I don't know how we can really fix this. Oh god. Okay, hold on. I'm just trying to get the main code. And at the very bottom over here is where the number prints out. Hopefully you guys can see that. Good enough. Okay, I think you guys can. Okay. So this is the code. Okay. So I'm thinking maybe if we could kind of change it. And I'm gonna show you what it printed without that. So that printed 2. So that -1 does help. So if you add that -1 and then run it, it comes out with the outcome of 2. With the outcome of 2 right over here. So what is this doing? What is this code doing? This code is basically checking like all the way like x basically equals from 1 1. Let's take ABC example 1 2 3 0 1 2 0 1 2. Okay, and then it's checking if it equals the same thing as from 0 to B, and if it doesn't, count plus equals 1. But obviously it is not working. Hold on. Obviously it is not working. Okay. Okay. So as you can see here, it doesn't work for this. It is checking. I think this is what's happening. It's seeing A, C, A, C. 3 over here. 1, 2, H, and then H, E, and E. So, not sure. This should turn, this should turn AB because it's AB. So this has to appear in the same place in both strings. Okay. In the same place in both strings. So AX appears in the same. Okay, I want to see what is this one. Not D. A. And then yeah, it's because it's this B over here and then B over here. So we need to check that. So what is this doing step by step? I'm just gonna see what is this code doing step by step, and then we're gonna shrink that. And we can delete that. Put this up here. Just take a simple drawing tool. And I'm going to change the color to black. Okay, that's good thickness. Maybe just up that a little bit. I don't know if that's too thick. Okay, so what is this code doing? First, it is setting this variable to 0. Then it is checking for x in, let's take this ABC example then, 0, 1, 2. Yeah, we need to dial that down, the thickness down, and then checking if from all the way up to x, So like if suppose ABC, ABC, and then X equals B, it's checking if all the way up to X, so A and B, if the same thing on B, on the second string, all the way up to X, I don't know why it's going like that. Okay, but basically let me just use the shape. It's the X is B right there. It is lagging, sorry about that. So that's checking, going all the way up to there. And then if it does the same thing, goes all the way up to X on this one, on this position, it goes up to AB, so that's why it's doing, it's returning, that's why it's returning, that's why it's returning true, true. I mean, that's what it's doing, then count plus equals 1, which basically equals count equals now equals 1. Okay? And then it does the same thing, but this time C over here is X, and then it's going all the way up, so ABC, ABC. That's what it's doing. It's all the way going up from here, ABC, ABC. That's why it's going like that. And then I think that's why in here it's going from A, A. But it has to detect both two, so I have no idea what to do. Okay. Then it's going up to there. I am kind of lost. So that's what the code is doing. That's what the code is executing. What if we do this? Hold on. Can I do the x minus 1 to x minus 1 to run that? That gives 2. Okay, let's try that code. Let's give an example. Hello, he, hello, and then he. No, that's G. Okay, he prints 3 again, so it's really no difference. So if we implement this code, it will show the exact same results, except it will make this one go up to 5. So this is interesting. Now it is checking x minus 1, so the one before x all the way up to x, but it's excluding x. What happens if I go like that? X plus 1, so it excludes x plus 1. What is that code doing? So now, if we take this code and see what it's doing, we can see, okay, I'm going to take the eraser. Eraser, I have no idea. Where does the eraser an eraser? Eraser. I want to start over. Literally, I don't know. What did I just? Okay, I thought I thought I messed it up. Okay. There's no eraser? That sucks. I thought there was. Oh, delete. Delete. Just delete everything. Just delete everything, and then I type up text again, and then hold on. I type up text again. Got that. Low. Okay. Okay, so now what is this thing? This is doing the same thing. It's setting this, it's setting this to 0 for x in range. It's going all the way for, hold on. This is going, looping through all the way from, let's see the ABC example again. It's looping from length -1 to 0, and then to 1, then to 2. Okay? And then what is this thing? This is doing if x is 1. I think I may have been taking the wrong interpretation here the whole time. What am I doing? Okay. I cannot have a number. They have to be an integer. So if oh, it will automatically give 0 for all. Hold on, I just wonder what this does. It's probably not going to do. Correct. Oh, hold on. Okay. Don't know what this is doing, but I just wonder what is happening. 3, 3, 2. It does something like this. Do you need that one? Oh, guys, guys, guys! Let's go. I solved it. Okay. I was literally supposed to. Okay, you guys can't even see that. I just realized that. Okay. Okay, I was just. This stream was supposed to end until I solved it, but I already solved it. Okay. I solved it. Let's go. Now, I'm gonna try to understand what is happening here. Because I don't want to just solve it and be like, okay, yeah, because I didn't even understand what I was doing properly. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing. So, okay, yeah, no, just delete all of this stuff. Delete. Type, go, boom. Okay. So we'll just shorten that and put that up there. And pick draw. Okay, so this again, remember sets count to 0. I'm not going to even use my drawing tablet for this. I'm just going to use my mouse to show you guys. Hopefully you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? I'm not sure. Okay, wait. Let's give you a closer look at the code. Okay, so just okay, that's hopefully you just wanna a bigger look at the code. You guys can see that perfectly. Okay. So this is the code, and that's the same thing over here. This is the same code. Okay. So in this first line of code, this is the function, and this is the parameters to take, A and B. So 2 strings. And then first thing I did was I got a variable count, which is basically basically this number. There's these numbers right here. Let me just see if I can. And the underneath run, this one. Okay. That's the count. That's how many times, that is how many times they have the same two letters in the same area. So for example, XX, XX, they have the same letters and in the same space. AA, AA, same letters again, same space, and then AZ, AZ, same letters, same space. That is what count is. So hopefully that cleared it up for you. Well, that's explaining what the count variable is. And then for X in range, so this is basically saying, again, I'm going to be taking that ABC example. Just know I'm going to be taking this, what is this? I have no idea. Okay, but I will be taking, whenever I'm talking about this code, I will be taking this second example right here, the one that's highlighted, ABC, ABC, okay? Okay, good, okay. Hopefully we're on the same page now. That's probably too far off, okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's what this is. Basically for X in range, the length of the A, so a length of ABC number 1 is 3, but in computer language, basically, this first letter isn't 1. It's at index position 0, so it goes from 0, 1, 2. So that's why I said the length of that string minus 1, so it ends at 2. Okay, and now I'm checking if all the way up to X, all the way between X and the next letter, if that is the same thing and the second string, then should plus equal 1. It should loop through the whole thing all again, and then it should return the number it got. I don't know if that makes sense. So okay, let me go back here and show you what I'm talking about. So I don't know if I can zoom in anymore. Trying to zoom in as much as I can. Okay, but so I'm saying that basically suppose X equals B, okay, or X equals A, and I know what X minus 1 to A all the way up to X was not working because what's X minus 1 if X is A? Nothing. So it wasn't working. But in this, it's basically going from here all the way from A, which is X, plus 2. So 1, 2, but it doesn't include plus 2. It just goes up to plus 1. I am not sure if this is making any sense. So it does not include C. It only looks at A and B, and then goes to the second string and sees if it also has A and B in the same position. If so, they add a 1 to the variable count, and then B becomes X, okay? And then again plus 1, so B and C over here too. And then C, there's nothing, so they don't add the count. So that's why they return the count 2. So I don't know if that made sense, but that is why this code works. Now I have to zoom out a little. That is why this code works, and I don't know if I did a good job explaining it. Hopefully I did, and I cleared everything up for you guys. So hopefully I did and cleared everything up for you guys. So that's exactly why this code worked, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this live stream. This is my first ever live stream, and I'm super excited about it, and I'm definitely gonna be making more live streams in the future. So yeah, I'm gonna zoom out. Zoom out. Okay, I'm gonna have to zoom out more. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. Because a really fun time coding with you guys. So yeah, I'm really happy this stream went really well. It took me some time to learn Streamlabs OBS, but now I've got it, and definitely going to be doing some more streams. Yeah, but I also have school, so I'm not going to be doing a lot of them, but I definitely will be. sometimes when I'm coding. So yeah. Subscribe if you want to subscribe already, and hopefully you guys enjoy the screen.